Hello everyone. Bonjour les enfants. Have you ever felt that even after studying French as a foreign language in school, still you can't speak it confidently and correctly? Is your French teacher teaching you the correct French language, or is she just translating English into French? Today I want to talk on something very important, not to blame anyone, but to create awareness. Let's find out. Schools today teach French as a subject and not as a foreign language. And common issues that are addressed by the students is that teachers themselves are not confident in the French pronunciations that they use in a French class to teach the students. Grammar is taught like English grammar. Students memorize rules, but they do not can form a complete spontaneous sentence, and focuses more on written exams and scoring high, but not on learning a language. Are we doing the correct thing? You know what? French grammar structure is different, system rhythm is different, pronunciation is different. When we teach French like English, the student loses the flow of learning a language. I'm not blaming any teacher or institution, but teaching a language is also a big challenge for us. But we must improve it. We must reflect it. Now let's look at something very interesting. See this article on the screen. There's a shortage in Canada. There's a shortage of French teachers. There's a shortage of French teachers in schools in Canada. Do you understand that this is how much a global opportunity for you? Now, what's happening in Canada, as seen in this article also, what's happening in Canada is if you are a certified French language expert, you have given your TEF or TCF exam, and you have scored a good mark in that, you are allowed to go Canada. You are allowed to go and teach their Canadian students the French language. Go and utilize your French language skills in Canada, and they will pay you. They are calling immersion program students, they are calling these people from other countries, and you can go there and teach French language. So, do you realize how much French language skill, this asset, is your global opportunity to not just acquire your salary, but also to spend your time, your effort, and your French language skills. Now, this is something very powerful. French is not just a subject, it's a global opportunity. If we build strong foundations today, our students can assess global opportunities tomorrow. In my teaching, I focus on slow and steady progress, strong pronunciation foundation, thinking in French, not translating, and practicing sentences from the day one. Language learning is not a race, it's a system. If you want to experience structured French learning, listen to our podcast hosted by Language Parks on the Spotify platform. You can also find our podcast on other podcast platforms. Basically, it's first hosted on Spotify in the name of Language Parks. Stream to all 7 episodes. Take a free demo class and judge yourself. Find out yourself. Are you learning the correct French? Compare yourself. There's absolutely free demo class, and for taking the demo class, link is mentioned in our bio. All the links of going to the Language Bugs profiles are mentioned in our bio, and a link is also mentioned in the caption. And comment below that French is being taught in correctly in the schools. Let's build real French speakers and not just exam scores. Follow our channel for more such updates and for more serious talkings. Till then, au revoir et à bientôt.